All right, so what's going on, everyone? We're going to talk about NEO today to see if the stock is in free fall. I'm going to give you all a NEO stock price prediction today and trying to see will the sellers keep control of the price, because obviously looking at my chart now, you can see that sellers currently control price because ever since the high of September the 30th, the market has gone lower in NEO. Now, as I get started in this video, you guys appreciate the content that I produce. Make sure you follow me. Make sure you join me on this platform because I'm here to give you a heads up as to where we suspect the market is about to go within the stock market. All right, so check this out. Yes, I'm letting you know now. Sellers control the price in NEO as of today. But there's a couple of areas that we can see buyers hold the market, preferably right here now. Okay, so the last time we did our video in NEO, we created this buy zone up here at the top around like 650, right? And the buyers didn't show up. I don't know what to tell you. When we create these zones, the expectation is for us to see these market participants show up. Well, the buyers didn't show up here. They did initially, maybe for a couple of days, like maybe right here on the 3rd and the 4th of October and the 7th of October. But then after that, they're like, look, I'm going. I'm done. I can't hold price in NEO up here anymore. So the sellers ran. They jetted, they left. And then you can see by them leaving this buy zone, the sellers like, all right, cool. I got the market now. Let me go ahead and run down this price in NEO. And then they took it to where the trend in NEO has been broken off of our chart. Just giving us more confirmation that the sellers control the price. That's all. It's just giving us more confirmation. So we can get rid of this buy zone. We can get rid of this trend line. And what we can do now is, since we can tell that the market is being controlled by sellers, is we can create some sell zones then. These are areas that buyers will have to get rid of in order for us to see the market in NEO go up. They have to do this. Okay. Here is one right here. So we got like 2 sell zones here in NEO. Okay. Now you can see also that our software is telling us that the market is being controlled by sellers. Our next focus would be, if we're looking for the market to continue to at least stop going down, we need to see the buyers show up at this buy zone. If the buyers don't show up at this buy zone, then maybe they might hold price at 475, but definitely we might need to pay attention to this next buy zone. All right, so let me give you this buy zone right here too, just in case buyers hold the price here. All right, so we got that. Let's look at NEO on the 2. Just giving us a different vantage point, a different view as to how this market looks. You tell me. Is this bullish or bearish? This began the selling. And then we continue to see selling price bars on this one. And then this last 2-day bar right there. Here it is on the 3. Bullish or bearish? What about on the 4? Bullish or bearish? We have 8 hours and 50 minutes left. We don't want to see the market. If you're a buyer, you don't want to see the market close on that low right there, like it is right now. What about on the 5? Same thing, 8 hours, 50 minutes. It looks like the market in NEO is not bullish of this particular moment. I'm just saying, like right now, it's just not bullish. It's bearish. You got to keep it real, got to keep it honest. Price will go up, price will go down as well. Everything doesn't shoot up into perpetuity and go higher and higher. Okay. So we are going to play some weakness into the market in NEO, albeit we're not going to stay like a crash or anything of that sort, but we can anticipate some lower levels. I pretty much like how that just plotted. We got our sell zone up here at the top for NEO, and we got these buy zones here. So our target is going to be at these 2 buy zones. If we see the buyers initially hold this first buy zone, i.e. at the top of it, cool, 8%. done. Leave a little bit on to take it to the lower end of this first buy zone. Gives us 11.19%. Cool. Done. If the weakness continues, this is our third target, the second buy zone, either at the high or the low of it. 15.81% right there. Okay. So seeing that price in NEO is no longer holding this trend, seeing that it's no longer this bullish anymore, we might need to, it's not even holding this trend either. Ouch. That's something that you don't want to see if you're a bull or a buyer in the market in NEO. Okay, so we'll leave it right there. Go ahead and give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain profit, and as always, trade different.